Hey, it's Bethany here with Nutritious and Delicious, and today we're going to talk about the 6 foods that actually help aid anxiety and calm your mind, so stay tuned. Hey, so did you know that there's actually been proven research that people who have anxiety and depression actually have a lower number of antioxidants, magnesium, and zinc in their system? So today we're going to talk about the 6 foods that can help aid that with helping your anxiety. So number 1 is Brazil nuts. They actually contain selenium and vitamin E, which are the key antioxidants to your health. So get lots of these in for your day. Number 2 is salmon, sardines, and egg yolks. The reason for this one is actually there's not a lot of foods that contain vitamin D, and being in Canada, we need a lot more vitamin D than the average person just because we are in the northern hemisphere. Vitamin D is found in salmon, sardines, and egg yolks. So eat more of those as well. Number 3 is turmeric. Turmeric is a spice used in cooking. Now, the active ingredient is called curcumin, which is actually found in a 2015 study to reduce anxiety in obese adults, which is pretty cool. Number 4 is dark chocolate, and this is one I love actually. So dark chocolate has tryptophan in it and magnesium, and it elevates moods and it helps us stay sleepy. So this is something that you want to get into your system as well if you want to boost your daily mood. Number 5 is fermented foods and probiotics. So specifically, it's an active bacteria. It's called lactobacillus, I think it's called, found in fermented foods. This is actually found in things like cheese, sauerkraut, kimchi, fermented food such as soy products, and probiotics as well, which is a great one. So I actually have an article coming out about probiotics, which you might want to look into as well, as I find that they actually link to the gut and the brain with mood disorders and things like that as well. So that's a great one to watch coming out. And number 6 is pumpkin seeds. So zinc is essential for brain and nerve development, and the largest stores of zinc are actually in our brains that are involved with emotion. So pumpkin seeds are a great mineral, zinc, and it's great to have the pumpkin seeds in your diet, which is actually quite low in people with depression and anxiety typically. So people that have depression and anxiety, they need to increase their zinc, their magnesium, and their antioxidants, which is full of in these foods here. So get more of these 6 foods into your diet, and I will see you guys next week for another video in good health.